Okay, this is an informal chat through one of the most exciting things that Texxi is doing, which is the Texxi mobile travel applications. This is the way transit will work in the future. This is the way people will travel around. We're waiting slightly for the mobile phone technology to catch up, which is why we currently use SMS and postcodes, which is very effective and a money-making machine in itself. But in the future, we'll need to move to full feature travel applications. This mobile phone we've just taken delivery of is the O2 XDA Orbit. It's a fairly compact phone, particularly for what it's got incorporated into it, and of course the most important thing is the GPS system. Texxi has been working for a while on talking to phone networks in various countries to offer them an OEM deal whereby Texxi installs its travel application at the factory, if you like, and then when the person takes the contract with the network, they get the application already installed on the start menu. This is a Windows Mobile 5 application developed for us by some people in Australia. It's a map-based application, and as you can see, anybody familiar with Yahoo or Google Maps can see that you can easily drag and zoom the map around. This will be a street map. The key is the GPS system, which will locate you and then present the correct information. As you can see, if this is the way you're going to travel around by pointing and clicking on a map, this will be a killer application for a network, and a period of exclusivity with the Texxi travel service added to the mobile phone will be a great way for them to pull in new contracts, people to sign up with their networks, and that's why we expect this to work. You can get various layers of information. It all works across the data connection from the mobile phone, incorporating then the GPS location. The various layers of information you can include. The map layer, obviously, then you can include meeting point information, Texxi meeting points. You can include bars, clubs, and so on, points of interest, and so on and so forth. And then also self-generated points of interest, such as home address. So it's already there on the map when you want to go home. And of course, although this focused here on the maps, you can have a fully featured travel application with a whole host of functions and features interfacing to the Texxi travel service. Obviously, once you've decided to travel by clicking on the map, the GPS can then act as a sort of co-pilot or a TomTom, or exactly like a car satellite navigation system, and actually then guide you into the meeting point as well, with all the usual voice features and so on. We'll be using these initially with a smaller number of units as promotional applications, whereby a marshal on the street has access to the travel system and can group people and interface in advance so that they can persuade people to travel. We'll also be using it critically for rapid surveying. You can track where the person making the survey is, which is important information, their time, they took the data, and then have them fill out a form, which might be where's this person going, who are they, and so on and so forth. And we'll be using this in Brisbane very shortly. So that is the very first look at the way Texxi will be going in the future when we've moved beyond postcodes being texted via or sent via SMS.